Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the camera position on your Blender workspace. So first let me open my Blender. Now this is the camera. If you are using Blender, you all have been familiar with this. So to change the position of camera, first of all you need to select the camera just by clicking over it, or just simply selecting the camera on this layer option. And if you want, for the convenience, you can just simply toggle the camera view as well, so you can directly see how the camera is seeing. Now to change the position, just simply hit this object button, and here you're going to find this option of transform. When you click on this transform, you're going to find this option of move. When you click on the move, you're going to see now the camera is moving along with my mouse direction. If I want to change the axis of moving, I just simply hit this rolling key on my mouse, and now you're going to see this is moving in the forward and backward direction, or you can say the axis as well. So once you are done with the changes, just simply left click on your mouse and you are done. So by this method you can easily change the camera position on your Blender workspace. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.